My name is Amelia, and I'm going to be making street tacos. First, we're going to put the pork in a large pot. Next, we're going to adding all the spices. Cumin, salt. We're going to put even more seasonings on it, like roasted green salsa and orange juice. I'm going to cover the pot and then put it in the oven for a few hours. Now when the pork is done, it's time to assemble our taco. There we go. It's time to try the tacos. That's so good. 4th of July is coming up, and this would be a great party snack.